Hello, beautiful soul. How are you on this amazing Monday afternoon? So good day wherever you are. And I have a question for you, or maybe it's kind of like three little questions in one bigger question. Angels and I are having a discussion. Yes, we actually talk to each other, in case you had kind of missed that part, being a part of our community and sharing different posts. So let me get to it. Later on this month, August, we're going to be teaching a workshop. Now, can't really decide which one, so I'm asking you to give me your input, and I'll tell you about each one of them a little bit so you can make an informed decision or go with your gut feeling, your intuition, whichever resonates with you. So the first one, is dream interpretation, and it would be about how to interpret your dreams, how to create your own dream interpretation workbook, your own dictionary, I guess is a better word. There would be a workbook, absolutely, and at this moment it would be a 60-minute class. And we could, if there's time, help you with some dream interpretation for symbols and images. And this is below the surface. I have found that, and I have a couple dictionaries, dream symbols and signs dictionaries, but they always kind of left me like, well, that doesn't really fit. So I started working on, well, the angels and I, on my own dream interpretation. And this has been a while since we've taught this. So that's one, dream interpretation workshop. Another is angels and affirmations. This is another workshop. It would be another 60-minute workshop. How to really work with affirmations. I know it doesn't sound very sexy or anything like that. And yet we're encouraged to use affirmations. If you're not aware of the dangers, this is not a big bugaboo, but if you use them at the wrong time, you're actually shooting yourself in the foot. You're going to land on your batucas, and you're actually going to, they're going to backfire on you. So the angels that can help you with that, how to work with affirmations, how to write them, and when to use them. There is a bonus with this workshop. It is, we have an affirmations, secrets behind the affirmations ebook. I don't remember the title, sorry. But that will be part of it. And let's see. Oh, the other one is intuitive card reader. We did a live stream about this, I think, a couple days ago. And quite a few people posted that they were interested in angel, tarot, both. So rather than call it angel card reader or tarot card reader, because the way that we teach, and we have taught both tarot and angel card reader reading courses, it's been several years ago, and we're just kind of dusting them off again so we can combine this. And this would be 2 90-minute workshop sessions a week apart. And I figured out the logistics for this because part of this is y'all practicing on each other. So I figured out the techie pieces for that. Intuitive card reader is for anyone who wants to learn more about reading cards, have more confidence, get below the glitter. If you've taken courses before, if you've read books, if you've been doing readings on yourself or started to do them with friends, and we will even include a section, a module on pricing, because some people want to do this professionally or raise their prices or start charging. So how do you do that and feel confident in doing that? So in the comments, depending upon what it is you would like to do. So this is the next step. Do you prefer number 1, dream interpretation, number 2, angels and affirmations, or number 3, intuitive card reader? And whichever workshop gets the most votes, the most comments, that's the one we'll do later on this month of August. And if for some reason you like more than one, tell me which one you want first. Which one is the most exciting to you? Okay, so you would, for dream interpretation, you would just put 1. For angels and affirmation, you would comment 2. And intuitive card reader, you would comment 3. Alrighty then, now if you have questions, go ahead and post those in the comments as well, and I will be back round to answer them. So I think that's about it. So it's in your hands, y'all. Now, if nobody responds and nobody tells me what it is they want, then we're just going to do whatever comes to mind. So number 1 is dream interpretation. 2, angels and affirmations. 3 is intuitive card reader. Now you can be a beginner, you can be intermediate, you can want to brush up on your skills. And there's a lot of interactive. There's a lot of the angels and I in there, so it's not, okay, here's a course, read the book, follow the video. That's not our way. We will guide you and give you tips and tools so that you can read just about any different kind of cards. So depending upon what y'all vote on, that we will do more in detail. So again, 1 is dream interpretation, 2 angels and affirmations, 3 is intuitive card reader. Please share this. You never know who else might want to join us. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.